mango smoothie. So we got mango, all right? So if you said today you just want to have some mango, this is some leftover mango from my mango salad. You can just make a nice little mango smoothie. Wow, simple guys. All right, that is so simple and delicious. All right, now we're gonna be using some lemon. All right, this is lemon. We're gonna be using half a lemon inside of it. All right, that's half a lemon. Now, once you put the lemon inside of it, we're gonna be putting some ginger inside of it, all right? So we catch the seeds. Gonna put a piece of a ginger inside of it. Look at that, beautiful and nice, very simple. Now what we're gonna do is just put some water because the time is a little bit warm and you don't want to be overstressing yourself too much. So we're gonna put some water. All right, because you know mango is sweet. So we put, yeah man, the same amount of liquid with the same amount of ingredients. And you can do mango and ripe banana, but we're not gonna do that today. Next time. And that's simple. So easy. Wow. All right, that's a mango salad still there. That is lovely. That's what I'm talking about. So you're at home right now and you feel like, oh, I'm tired. The weather is hot, guys. Very, very hot. All right, here's the mango. Wow. All right. Enjoy the summer and don't stress yourself too much. All right, yeah, good vibes. All right, if you guys like what I just did a while ago, please leave your comments